What if you want to get your hands dirty and create a truly unique business site? For that, I'd recommend Wix. With over 2,600 designer templates and one of the most flexible drag and drop editors out there, Wix is perfect for anyone who wants their site to look exactly the way they imagined it. The editor itself is very intuitive for beginners, but there's a lot of depth if you ever want to go further. Wix's developer mode, Velo, lets you customize your site with code. So whether you want a quick, good-looking website or a fully custom build, you're not limited. On the business side, Wix comes packed with built-in e-commerce tools like inventory management, abandoned cart recovery, booking and appointment systems, contact forms, and a full suite of marketing apps. You also get built-in SEO tools and analytics. There's one more thing worth mentioning though. When it comes to performance, Wix is very feature-rich, which means sites can sometimes feel heavier than those built with lighter website builders. Because of that, page speed results can be a bit slower. That said, all this customization does come at a higher price. The business plan is the one to choose if you're planning to sell products or need more advanced features. There is a free plan, which is fine for testing things out and getting a feel for the builder, but it's not really suitable for running a functional small business site. Upgrading gives you more storage, better analytics, and removes Wix ads. And if you do decide to go premium, don't overpay. Use my discount link in the description.